blindness if proper eye protection is not worn. These injuries can be severe and life-threatening. Arc flashes can occur due to equipment failure, dust, corrosion, or accidental contact with live electrical parts. They can happen during wrong operation and maintenance or when there's a fault in the electrical system. To prevent arc flash and burns, install arc-resistant switchgear and other equipment designed to contain and mitigate the effects of an arc flash. Conduct thorough risk assessments to identify potential arc flash hazards. This includes evaluating the likelihood and severity of arc flash incidents. Keep electrical systems well maintained to prevent faults that could lead to arc flashes. This includes cleaning and inspecting equipment regularly. Follow NFPA 70E standards and other safety protocols, including maintaining safe distances and using insulated tools. Ensure workers wear arc-rated clothing, face shields, and other PPE designed to protect against the intense heat and light of an arc flash. Let's recap. During a fault, high currents can cause a rapid increase in temperature, leading to arc flashes. Injuries from arc flashes can be severe, resulting in deep tissue damage and potential blindness. Common causes of arc flashes include equipment failure, dust accumulation, corrosion, and accidental contact with electrical systems. To prevent arc flash injuries, strict safety protocols must be followed and wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, including arc-rated clothing, face shields, and other necessary gear.
What is the primary cause of arc flash burns? A. Equipment failure. B. Human error. C. High currents causing a rapid increase in temperature. D. Poor maintenance. Correct answer, C. High currents causing a rapid increase in temperature. Explanation: arc flash burns occur when high currents cause a rapid increase in temperature, leading to a flash of heat and light.
Now, let's examine a critical topic: explosions or the shockwave. Let's get started. Explosions. An electrical explosion occurs when an electrical discharge ignites a flammable atmosphere, causing a rapid release of energy. This can result in shockwaves, fires, and flying debris. The impacts of electrical explosions can be catastrophic, resulting in a range of severe consequences. These include the destruction or damage to equipment, as well as the collapse or damage to infrastructure. Additionally, electrical explosions can cause electrical shock or electrocution, leading to serious injury or even death. Furthermore, fires and burns can occur, causing harm to individuals and damage to surrounding property. In the most severe cases, electrical explosions can result in loss of life. Causes of electrical explosion. An electrical explosion can be triggered by protective equipment, PPE, including insulating gloves, mats, safety boots to prevent direct contact with live electrical parts. Ensure all personnel are trained and qualified to work with electrical systems, covering hazard recognition, PPE